Welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture, we will be discussing everything you're going to learn within this entire course. So, let's get started. Again, this course is for everyone, no matter where you fall along the spectrum. We'll start out by going over the YouTube basics, basically starting a channel from absolute scratch. Then we'll work on designing a successful channel strategy and ultimately setting yourself up to succeed. These are going to be your primitive YouTube level techniques that you're going to want to understand. Following that, we have our YouTube elements. This is where we break down everything about the platform itself and not necessarily how to be successful on it. Because to be successful on the platform, you need to actually know what the platform is all about. So we'll be taking a look at the YouTube homepage and especially how to get your videos on the homepage. We'll be talking about the trending tab, the YouTube sub boxes, and everything about YouTube Red and the YouTube TV breakdown. You can't really expect to grow on YouTube unless you know the ins and outs of the entire site. Following that, we're going to get into one of my favorite sections, which is going to be producing high quality content. We'll be going over the best video creation practices, the quality versus quantity debate, the thumbnail development tricks, and how you can turn one view into 5 views ridiculously easy. Plus, we'll be working on how to maximize your potential on the platform. This is one of my favorite sections because your content is ultimately who you are on the platform. Without high quality content, you're not going to get very far. Following that super important section is going to be taking a look at the Creator Studio. Let me rephrase that. Not just looking at the Creator Studio, but diving into some serious depths at what you can do within it. There's tons of benefits you can get out of the video manager. Plus, we'll be briefly going over how live streaming is super important and incredibly powerful. Plus, we'll be taking a look at what it takes to have the proper channel settings to increase your success rate. A lot of information in this section is actually some stuff that most people don't know about. Once we get past all of those sections, we start getting into the meat and the taters of the entire course. We'll be getting into the intermediate YouTube practices. And again, this is where you start learning some crazy awesome features. We'll be going over how to properly collaborate on the platform. Plus, I'll be talking about how YouTube growth is super important as long as you are consistent. And a bonus to all that, we'll be talking about the YouTube scheduling aspect. This will allow you to be able to work from anywhere in the world. So not only can you have your dream job, but your dream job can be literally anywhere you want. And to top all that off, we'll be briefly discussing everything you need to know about YouTube MCNs these days. Which then brings us into one of our most popular sections, which is the YouTube Analytics. Analytics on YouTube is absolutely insane. The information YouTube gives you is unreal. So we'll be going over how to maximize your reach with them, as well as increase your revenue streams, and I'll let you know all about the third-party resources to help you get even more information from your channel. Another super popular section in the course is going to be the expert level YouTube practices. Again, I'm going to be going over how to boost views like a pro, how to crush your competition, the next level channel growth tips, and most importantly, how to capitalize off the infamous YouTube algorithm. Again, these are going to be tricks of the trade that only a dedicated practitioner would know of. And then lastly, to wrap the entire course up, if you truly, and I mean truly, want to make a career out of YouTube, then I will show you how to make that a reality. We'll go over how creators actually get paid, how to triple your ad revenue earned from your channel with a simple step, how to lock down some high-end sponsors to increase your revenue, and to top all of that off, to avoid the sellout persona. Because at the end of the day, if you're just doing it for money, and people think you're just doing it for money, you're not going to get very far. So, if you're interested in taking your channel, and really your life, to a whole nother level, then join me on this journey as I tell you everything I know about YouTube. So, hopefully I will see you in the next lecture.